Hello, hello. It's been a while. Made more changes, as you can tell. Yeah, sorry, my cat's like being dumb. All right, hello. It's been a while. I can't remember last time I streamed. It might have been Monday of last week, so almost a full 7 days. Just trying to figure out schedule still and what works best. But yeah, we're here today. There's my cat. As you can see, yeah, I made some changes, so hopefully it's a little bit better for people that are watching. Otherwise, made some changes off stream to the website a little bit. Just added links to my YouTube and Twitch, just so people that stumble on this, apparently, if they do that, they'll know where to find me. Yeah, I think that's mostly it. And then we log in actually. Oh, that was not right. So we log in. I think the other new thing is I fixed the screen size of the game. So it's much larger now. It actually will change depending on your resolution, so it's not like cut off. So as you see, it still fits on the screen no matter what size you're on. I think that's really it for website stuff. There was like one other weird one that I fixed off stream where, because of the resizing, it was like making it so when you like move around your camera, you couldn't fully go off to the end of the screen. But fix that as well. It was a pretty simple fix. So yeah, you need to. The font looks a lot worse though at this screen resolution, but something to look at. Also, yeah, health bars on the online version right now are currently like broken. I think it's because the way I'm setting the health for the first Pokemon you pick is being picked through, or being generated through the website itself. So even though I fixed it in game, it's still kind of buggy on that side. So we'll need to fix that. Game wise, I think I fixed a few things. Let me set the turn system to be off temporarily. I can't remember where it's set. It's in local, right? So big things. Oh fuck, I thought I turned it off. Oh, it says false still. Oops. All right, big thing here is that, hold on, my mic keeps kind of dropping. Yeah, it needs to be a little bit tighter. All right, big thing here, just some minor things, but you know, big things in total. The health bars behind the UI for the combat are now gone. I fixed that finally. So now you no longer have that annoying health bars just appearing there. Otherwise, is there anything else I really did offline? It's been a while. I can't remember what else I did. But yeah, I think kind of what's going on right now is a lot of times I don't have a lot of time to stream on the weekdays with my full-time job, so I end up being able to work on the game a little bit, and there's no reason to stream, so I end up just kind of fixing little things while not streaming. So, but I mean, majority of the stuff's still the same, no major changes, just some fixes here and there. I'm trying to remember what else, but it's like hard to remember since last time I streamed. But yeah. I did want to shout out Dungeoneer3. Thank you for the follow off the stream. I get a lot of off-stream follows for some reason. Either just people finding my VODs or YouTube maybe. I don't know, but thank you for the follow. So yeah, today we're gonna continue on the turn-based system. So from last time, we got a lot of the actions set up for it. So you can only move one turn, and then you can only attack one turn. You can only spawn one Pokemon per turn. That kind of stuff. And then today we want to kind of get the actual like move to the next turn situation. So like a button. So right now I'm thinking just like a button in the bottom right. That's super not huge. Just for now, we'll just have it be some text that says end turn. And then when you press that, it will end your turn. You cannot interact with anything anymore, and it'll go to the next thing. So that is the plan now. I don't know. Was there anything else that I did off stream? I mean, so like the turns are here, but also like if I sign in as this person now, they cannot move. Actually, I'll show you. So it respects whose turn it is now, which it did not do before. You could just do your turns at the same time. But yeah, so now if I'm signed in as this user, like you can see I can't move because it's not currently my turn. The only issue right now is that it doesn't tell you that. So you're just like, oh, the game's broken. So we'll fix that too. One second here. I also want to make sure like the further we get into this, the more that like the multiplayer piece is going to become a thing that I really need to focus on, and it's hard to do while on stream because there's like code I don't really want to be seeing related to like the database changes I make and stuff like that. But I think maybe I'll just like have it off the screen, and as long as it doesn't take that much time, I'll just kind of do it while talking to people. So I think it's the plan. So let's get that end turn button working. So let's see. It's not going to be pretty. I think we're just going to kind of throw together some text. Making everything look pretty will be the final thing we really do before really wanting to like share this with people. So it needs to be a button. It's probably just gonna do the button. Then we do end turn. It's already pretty large. Actually, I want to shrink that. We want to shrink this down. Yeah, it's not gonna let me. Where is transform? Where is the transform options? Is it layout? Yeah, layout, transform. Oh wait, we could just do an anchor maybe. Bottom right? That is not the bottom right. So that won't work. Never mind. Set that to whatever. So we want this to be in... that's off screen. I want this to be in the bottom right corner. That changes size. I did not mean to do that. Uh, 250. 500. Yeah. 300. 150. 180. Nice. And then 300. That's 3,300. Look at that. That's kind of where I want it. Let me see what this looks like right now, actually. Oh, it's like hidden behind the UI. Oh no, where to go? I want to see. There's the button. Okay, this is annoying. I'm gonna have to put it off screen because it's gonna keep hiding it for me. If we do Z index on this. Top level. Oh, that does fix it. Oh, but it's not in the bottom right corner. Okay. What? We don't actually know. Yeah, okay. For some reason I thought this was the screen size. It's been a while since I worked on the UI. We should probably I might need to look up how to just set it to the bottom right of the viewport, essentially. It's probably just some math needed. Godot, set UI bottom right viewport. I use containers. Oh, neat. We can try that. We can put it in a container. Oops. Oh. Container. There's a lot of different containers. Just the generic container, I guess. So let's... Oh, I can't control it anymore. Okay. Layout. I mean, does this work? What happens if I do that? And then... make this the top level? I don't know why that changed the size of things. Oh, it does? Okay, so I should not pay attention to what it looks like on the editor. It's just slightly cut off though, but that is kind of what we want. Now I think we need to do that. No. Unity is good. I don't know. There's been a lot of drama with Unity recently, so it's kind of really dependent on those kind of things. I haven't really followed it close enough, but what I'm using right now is Godot. But I would say like Unity and Godot, whatever it's called, are probably the two most beginner friendly. Probably Unity is probably the most beginner friendly, but yeah, it just really depends. I wish I knew more about like the drama surrounding, like I just know that they were like charging, like if you want to make money, they were doing a lot of stuff related to that were pretty anti-consumer, I guess. But no, I mean, that's the thing. I don't really know. I haven't really used Unity. See, if I used Unity, I'd probably know more about this. But I think yeah, it was just like there was really bad anti-consumer practices or like anti-dev practices where, as a developer, it just was, they were like would charge you way more money every time you make a sale, and it just wasn't going to be great. But I mean, like, to learn, it probably is actually more friendly than any other like engine out there. Is probably how I would think it, you know. Godot, what I'm using right now, is pretty good too, but I feel like it's still pretty early in its development. It's a pretty new engine compared to Unity. So, but yeah, I think Unity is, you should definitely give it a shot. I would give it a shot too, you know, especially as a beginner. But I don't know, I'm probably not the best person to ask. I've been using Godot mostly, so don't know too much about Unity, sadly. All right, where was I? So yeah, going to get this end turn button to look correct on the screen here. We just need to receive that. Yeah, no, thank you for stopping by. Sorry I couldn't answer your question. But you should definitely get into it. I mean, yeah, I've heard Unity's great, so. Oh, and thanks for following. I just saw. Thank you for following, man. All right, where were we? Wait, when you followed, did the thing not appear? Oh, it did appear. Or did I just make that appear? All right, whatever. Might need to look at that later, but all right. Now, where was I? Need to fix the end turn situation here to be on the screen. I'm gonna have to pull this off the screen for a second so I can see what I'm doing here. And then I'm gonna be doing some editing in the scene window here. I think if I just anchor to the preset bottom right. Okay, so it's slightly off the screen there. I think I just need to increase the size. Okay, that did not make a difference. Not really sure, but it's just like weirdly like off the screen. And I'm not really sure why. I thought maybe the container was too small, but that didn't seem to make a difference. Let's do this. Let's see what else the container has that could probably fix this. Is it not the size? Like, maybe it's still too small? No, that literally makes no difference. Unless, now if I move it? Wait, why is it all the way over here at bottom right now? Okay, so it is size. And then it gets reset. Okay, so we probably want it at 100. And then this at 0, or at what was it originally? 50, I think. I think that's fine. Yeah, that works. Okay, 150. Need to remember to do that over here now. Cool. What? It's still there. I'm so confused. I am very confused. Dude, I think UI is like my least favorite part of doing this. Just every time I just have problems with it. Oh, sorry. Adjusting. Why do you refuse to be on the screen? Please tell me. And then if you like see, and then if I do this and then go back to it, it's on the screen. Like, it like needs to be set after. Wait, okay, so what if I do this? Let's do bottom right. Reset this fucking. God damn it. And now it's gone. Okay. Let's get these ads off the screen. Jesus. I don't know what I did. I've like completely broken it. Why is this upset? Oh, it says not to use container. Let's try. Same situation. We want it bottom right, and then we're going to do 100. Oh, that's 200. We're gonna do 100 and then 50. The button's just gone. It's just off the screen. What did I do? Okay, let's do that. I think I accidentally moved it off the UI. It's still not there. I want this button to show up on here. That would be great. Let me get this off the screen. Let's go here. There we go. Something else to look at while I'm working on this. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Where is my... Oh, duh, it's not on the top level anymore. Let me fix that. Anchors, bottom right, and then we need to set the visibility to top level. There we go. Okay, we got it. I need to make it so that you don't interact with the background, but it's working. Because like here, yeah, it doesn't interact with the background. Boom, boom, boom. Now we can just do like a margin or something. If this has it. Maybe not. We just need to put a little bit of space in between the corner here, so it's not like right on the edge. I mean, it might be okay being right there. Eventually, it'll be nice to have like its own little custom button, but for now, this is kind of what it looks like. I think I might just leave it there for now because I just kind of want to get it working. All right. Coding time. This should be pretty simple. We're just updating a table to be... We're updating this table in local. Where is it? Oh, it's not even a table. We're updating current turn and round. Round... Oh shit, we don't store whose turn it is currently. Our turn order. This will just be a... So I'm already doing this on the server. I guess I forgot to add it here. Wait, I guess the turn order wouldn't matter to store locally? No, it does, because we do need to pass in. Yeah, let's just do it locally. I think otherwise we might cause problems later. There should be an array. Let me see how I'm doing it on the server. This might be a little sensitive. I don't know if I can show this on stream. 1 second. What am I looking for? Oh yeah. I can probably share this. Let me just open it up. Okay. So this is the giant table of information that we send to the client once it starts. We want this, so it's in turn order. I think I did that off stream as well. There's some off stream server stuff I worked on. I think that was one of them. Should do it here. Order. Five, 1. I did the thing where I just closed all my windows. 1 second. There we go. And then we need to update local to pass in the order thing. Wait, where am I passing this in? Load turn data. And then we'll do self.turn order equals turn.order. Is that what I called it? I think so. Cool. Now that we have that, we just need to make that button clickable, end turn button. We'll name this I think we'll add future UI in here, so we probably won't call it turn. Actually, maybe we'll call it turn, because it'll be the UI that shows up when it's your turn. Or no. Maybe leave it as control. What do we call it? We're gonna call this end turn. Man, I cannot type. Let's make that capitalized. End turn. And then we'll add the button method. I'm looking in the wrong file. Probably add it in ready. Maybe not. Where am I setting all the other buttons? I'm doing it here. What file is this? On game data loaded? All right, let's do it here. Control / end turn rest dot connect. And we'll create a new method. It will be called end turn rest dot bind. N func N turn rest. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Dude, my hair is a mess right now. We should have a method that you can check if it's their turn. I feel like that'll be important later. Oh, we should remove this. We don't need to print this anymore. Func is turn ? I mean, yeah, it can just be a single method. And then we just do we return this. Most simple function here, just doing a check and then self.id. Bam. It'll just make life easier because I do need to check here. So I do local. If local is turn, then we can do what we need to do, which is we need to write another function that goes like update or end turn. We'll just call it end turn. And with this, we want to do for self turns. I need to look at how an array is read. I need to know if we're at the end of the array. I mean, there's one way, like I can do trying to think how I want to do this. Yeah, let me just look at the array methods we have here. Godot array. Hold on, while I'm here. How to pronounce Godot engine. I don't think it's right.
Godot engine.
Godot engine. Godot. Why is this a private video? Godot? So it's Godot? That sounds even worse. I'm just gonna say keep calling it Godot. Godot. Is that how I say it? Godot? Jesus. Whatever. Sounds like there's no clear pronunciation. As long as you're kind of saying it, I don't think anyone cares. All right, we want to see. So we want to check if they. Well, we know they have the array. We want to see. What else do we use find? So it returns its index. Okay, that's how we'll do it. We'll do find. So we don't need this. What we'll do is we basically will check self.turn order find, and we want to find our user ID, and then if it does find it, and that returns, I believe that returns its index, so we know where it is in the index, and then what we also want to know is the amount. So let's do known players. Oh wait, this is not how you do it. That's how you do it in Lua. I'm getting my programming languages mixed up. Can I just do, I saw there was count. Can I just do count? Oh, that's how many times an element's in the array. What if I just want to, oh, it's like length. It's like len. Yeah? Yeah? I mean, it's not, it looks right. Okay. So we know the number of players. We're gonna do minus. Then we find the user turn equals that. And then we want to check if they're at the end of the turn, and that means that the end of the round is over. So we would just verify that user turn is User turn is equal to num players. And I think we can do that if we do a -1 because user turn, there can be an index of 0. So I think we want that. User turn equals number of players. That means we're at the end of the round. So then we'll do self dot round plus equals 1. And then we set the turn. Or sorry, current turn is back down to 0. Self dot turn order index 0. So that's an equal sign. Bam. Cool. So that will get it working locally, but we want it to work on the server is the thing. So that's not really going to help us. I mean, it will make it so that who you currently are will no longer be able to do any actions. Oh, it's broken. Nice. But why is this? Oh, because my bad. Just an open if statement there. Okay, so currently I have actions. I can move and turn. It's not working. Oh, wait. I know why. 1 second. There's something with like... I feel like enable something to make it actually clickable. I always forget what it is. I need to see another button. It's a button mask? Button mask, left click. Visibility, no. To input? Mouse. Oh, it's mouse. Filter, stop. Where's past scroll depends on default cursor shape arrow. Filter, stop. Wait, those are all right. God damn it. Disabled, no. Filter. Is it stop? Yeah, it is. Everything else is the same here. Action mode. I will say though, I don't like that. Let me do ignore. Yep. Programming so hard right now. Just honestly struggling. Oh yeah, that just breaks the button. More like dealing with UI and it just not working. This end turn button is just not doing anything. It might actually be doing something. I'm just not seeing a response. His turn. And then we want to check that it actually goes to here as well. His ending turn. No, oh shit, okay, I know why. I'm an idiot. I'm only doing it if it's the end of the round. We need to do else. And then just set the current turn to user turn +1. That will fix it. All right, so look, have UI, I can move around, I can do stuff. I can move my little Bulbasaur. Cool, they're moving. End turn. Bam, I can't move anymore because it's not my turn anymore. It's working. I don't... There is a minor issue. I don't like that. Wow, does this not happen over here? See, okay, when I click move and I click craft and I click all these other buttons, it keeps the indicator on the player, but some reason when I click here, it like moves the indicator. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I don't know how to make all these buttons work. Let's see. I can change it to a pointing hand. I don't think it's gonna make a difference. That is something different compared to the rest. Button release. I assume it has to do with something with how if we ignore stuff underneath the button, but I'm having trouble. Everything looks the same. I don't know. Whatever. We wanna hide the button when it ends their turn, so they don't have an end turn button still there. So we're going to do, and let's get rid of these print statements. Where was the other one? It was in local. Oh, I already removed it. Never mind. We good. Cool. So we want to also set it up so that it only shows if it's your turn at startup. Still doing it. All right. Probably do it here. We'll do it at the end of this for now. And then if it is their turn, we show it. So we already, yeah. Okay, let's do that. Let's just make this always not visible. Visible off, but if it is their turn, we will make it visible. Control, and turn, visible equals true. Neat. That does look right. That looks, and then we'll just do one more tiny little thing. I'll make this invisible. Right here. False. Cool. That works. Man, I like... What? My watch like vibrated, but it's like not working. What time is it? Oh yeah. Oh, my phone has it. What the heck? That was really weird. My phone was doing the Find My Device thing. I think I accidentally pressed it. Oh, I 100% did. I accidentally pressed it on my watch. What is going on with my watch? It's like completely busted. Restart it. Weird. All right. I want to do the multiplayer bits. Let's maybe do them. Let's set up a... Let me see if I can put this on screen. I'd like to set up an end turn method. I can probably do this. Sure. App, match. We're making a new endpoint. API, and turn. Okay, looks like my watch is better. That was weird. API game setup. Game setup. And turn. JSON params, spawn 2. And it'll be a post. So I think it's just post equals function self. We're gonna basically do something like this. One second. Man, I'm probably gonna have to do this offline. I keep thinking about it. I'm gonna have to do it offline. What can I do here? What else do we have? Maybe we can make the UI look better. Let me look at my board, my task board I've been writing. Oh, Notion has to update. Oh, we could do an end state. Let's do that. Put it right here. Probably call it end game. Let me think. How would this work? So oh, I broke it. Pass. So kill, the way the game ends, I think how I'm gonna do it is either you run out of Pokemon and you have none left, or you've had 6 Pokemon that have been killed. I'm thinking the max you can have die is 6. So there'll be 2 different kind of end states. It'll be Bulbasaur attacks Charmander, Charmander dies. That was their last Pokemon. Obviously means game's over. We end the game. We'll fire an event to the server, and it ends the game. Other way is we keep track of how many Pokemon you've lost. Yeah, that'll be a little bit more of a pain. So yeah. I think that's what it'll do. So yeah, so we'll have to keep track of how many Pokemon they've lost. Serving guests. That'll get it. So yeah, I think we'll get the end state for the just wiping out all their Pokemon done, because that's pretty simple. And then the other way, we'll have to track how many Pokemon they've lost, because right now we don't do that. Actually, how does... I need to make sure... I don't even know how I currently deal with killing Pokemon. What is a Pokemon? It's a good question. Oh, wait. Sorry, I'm thinking. Yeah, what is a Pokemon? You know, it's like those things called pals. This game called Pal World, and Pokemon ripped them off by making a similar game. But I'm just making a fan game. Little multiplayer strategy thing. Very basic, but it's for friends mostly. And to learn Godot. Honestly, it looks like shit. I think the biggest thing is like I'm just like throwing assets together at a wall and just hoping they work. But I think the most annoying stuff right now is like the let me turn off the turn system so I can move around. Here, true. But like these assets do not match at all. Like I think this is the icon of Iron Chunks in Legend Arceus or whatever. Same thing for the leaks, and then you have like these like sprite looking things for these other pieces of items that you can pick up. Also, that text looks like shit. I need to fix that. I keep forgetting to do that. This could use some revamping. I built this out a long time ago, and also the UI gets cut off the screen. That should be an easy fix. But now I've lost my train of thought. But yeah, you know, UI is the, you know, what's the thing you're supposed to kind of do? Get everything working with like default assets, and then you're supposed to make everything look pretty at the end. That's kind of the plan. Like all the UI looks like shit too. I mean, the end turn button is just like a basic text thing. All the UI here is just like, yeah, simple text buttons that it gets defaulted as. I think I'm getting to the point though that I will want to start updating this UI soon. We've got a lot of the main features of this game done, but anyway, I was gonna test. I haven't worked on attacking in a while. I want to see how attacking works on, like, after you kill. Okay, Charmander's dead. I'd also like to get ranged working. Right now you can only attack right next to each other. All right, let's do that end game situation. So I have a function for it. We basically just want to check if we need to end the game at the end, and we just have to check if the player has any Pokemon left. So this is how I kill them. I wipe out their node, and then I erase them. Oh, so you know what? This is not actually fully right. I think technically they will still exist in the player that you attacked, their inventory, like their list of Pokemon. Actually, there's a way I could test that for real. Let's see. Let's do the actual website. Do one of the games that I have running here. Oh wait, I need to publish the recent changes. These health bars are broken on the server. Ignore those for now. Let me publish latest changes with the turn order turned off. And then I can actually see what happens if I wipe the player, all their Pokemon. Okay, reload this. Should hopefully be able to move non-stop now. Yeah. Let's get this little guy over there. Get it over. He needs to go kill Squirtle. The reason the health bars are so large on the server is because when I generate the game, it's using like an old way of how I was making their health. So their health is like, I think they have way more health than they're supposed to on the server right now. So it actually might take forever to kill this dude, but I'm gonna do it anyway. yeah, it's like way too much fucking health. Jesus. I might evolve by the time I kill this Squirtle. Okay, he's dead. Alright. Let me sign into the other account. I just realized I don't even handle death states, so I don't even know how this is gonna look. Oh, it's not technically my turn. I can't even look. God damn it. Yeah, Squirtle still shows up even though he's dead. He just has no health anymore. Yeah, he has no health. He's just, some reason, still alive. Yeah, I haven't... So the only stuff synced to the server right now is movement and doing damage. So if you technically kill a Pokemon, they'll still be alive. Hence why my Squirtles are Bulbasaur is over here, and Squirtle's usually has no health left, but is still alive. But yeah, I think the situation here is I need to make sure I remove their Pokemon from their inventory, because the player has a inventory of Pokemon called a party, and as long as it's in there, it technically still exists. So wait, no, actually it's not this. It's literally called Pokemon. I don't know why I have a party and a Pokemon. I think I originally meant to use party, because I don't even think we use this. So we need to know the attacked Pokemon player, like the player that had the Pokemon that got attacked, which we can get from the owner ID. I love for loops, man. I have so many for loops in this. The way I like store information in this game, I like fucked up majorly, and it's just I have to do constant for loops to figure out, like, I can't just access the player by knowing their ID. I have to like loop through all the players. But here we go. So essentially after they die, we look for the player, and then from here we can actually do what we need to do, which is, ooh, does this need to be in the loop? Yeah, no, this is fine. Oh shit, actually this might need to be beforehand, because we need the node reference. We should probably make this a function. We're basically doing the same thing we did down here. Let me make that a function. Get attacked. Okay, let's do get Pokemon's owner. And then it's essentially this stuff right here is we just want to mimic this. Attacked. We'll do it later. I don't think it's gonna be exactly what we want. Okay. So we want to erase this guy. So we want to look through their Pokemon, and we want to find, so we do need this. So now we know. Jesus, what a mess. This is like the most nested shit ever. Oh, I hate this. I mean, we just want to kill attacked player. We're looking for so we found it, and then we want to do attacked player.pokemon.erase poke. There. Wait, what's wrong with that? Attacked player not in scope. Oh, it needs to be its own variable at top. I mean, that should work. Let me print removed Pokemon from party. I think for debugging, I need to make it a way where I can easily switch the other player and see their stuff. I don't know why I'm moving my other guy. He does not need to be moving. I just need to kill Charmander here. Oh, it failed. How to get Pokemon? What? Attack player is null. Oh, it is null. Oh, I did not copy this over. Oh, and these are in separate loops. Okay. Cool. It worked, as far as I know. Let me make a way. I really need to make a debug menu. I'm just thinking about it. I'm like, man, to actually see what's going on the other player's side. My watch is like incredibly dark. I don't know if it's because... Did I break it? I'll look at it later. I might have broken my watch. Cool. So that removes the Pokemon. We need to remember to do something here to sync with the server. We can probably set that up now. Yeah, let's set it up now. So I have this function called send move request. It's a really bad term because it's actually just sends action requests, but I initially set up for moving because that was the first like multiplayer aspect of the game, was just moving your player around. But now I'm using it for other actions. This one will be called, what's a nice term for death? Killed? Blacked out? No. I just use death. Defeated. Painted, yes. I'm an idiot. It's literally what they use in the game too. That's why I thought blacked out. I was like, blacked out kind of is the same term. So this won't work out of the box. I'm gonna have to make changes on the server side to get this working. And then we can send any extra information we need. I mean, essentially we're gonna do the same thing here. We just know that they're dead now. So I think that's all we really need to do. We have the attacked player, the owner ID. We have the Pokemon. Cool. So that sets it up so we send the request and then I can fix the server side to actually kill it. Which won't be hard to do. It's just removing them from the list. But yeah, the main reason here now, what we want to do is we actually want to check if the game's over. So I might just call end game here. And then from the server, we'll check. What do we need to know? We have a lot of information though. Okay, we have an attack player. Oh shit. I just realized I gotta think about if there's more than 2 players. It's not gonna end the game if there's 3 people. I guess end for the player. Call it end player then. And we do with player dot Pokemon. And we want to check the length of that. And basically, if this is empty, so that means they have no more Pokemon, they black out. What do we do in this case? I guess we just remove the player. Oh man, I love this song. Yeah, we just essentially... Damn it. So we kill them, and then we just get rid of the player completely. Oh man, can we do that easily? What if we need the information for later? How do I store the data? Let me look at the player data. So this is how I store players to get their information. I think I might add a new property to them called let's call it blacked out. And then essentially we can just check if this is true, and if it is, that means they're no longer in the game. What? Why is that not good? Assignment is not allowed inside the expression, but I'm assigning up top. Oh, I'm in the Pokemon. I'll do it here. Nice. I'm just like breaking it now. Oh, it's because this doesn't have a comma. Perfect. So now we can go here and do player dot blacked out equals true. We'll send an event. Send move request. I really need to change the name of this event. It's very incorrect. So we'll call this one blacked out, because now that's like kind of the term when you like lose all your Pokemon in game. Peace doesn't really matter in this case. It would just be like the player ID. Does the player not have their ID? They do. It's just player.id. And then any extra information, which we don't really need. I think this normally comes free. Oh, what? Why? Oh, I do have to pass in a second. I'll just be an empty argument. And then I think I get the player that sent this request for free, the ID. Let me check. Oh, maybe I don't. Do I only send the piece ID? Just thinking for the future, we probably want to store who actually wiped out the player. I assume that's hell. Because, okay. Because I didn't really think about this, because I've been testing with just 2 players this whole time. Let me add a 3rd player while I'm actually talking about this. Where's my mock data? Now I can't find it. It's in one of these methods. There it is. Let's add another player. Give him a random ID. 45. 45. Character can be whatever. We'll give it 2. Position 88. 3388. Let's do 1010. 1011. We'll give them Pokemon with the ID of 7, which I can't remember which one that is. It's Squirtle, probably. Nice. Oh my god, I just realized the end turn button does not stay. It's attached to the... Well, that's a problem. It's like attached to the map. I didn't realize that. But it looks okay. Adding another player was no problem. I was afraid there was gonna be some issues with it, but everything still seems pretty good. I do wonder. So right now, how I do... Yeah, I wonder if I should do that. So currently how I do enemy highlighting is basically, or highlighting general, is you are blue and your Pokemon are blue. You can kind of see on my screen. It might be a little small, but there's like a little highlight around you that's blue. And then enemies have a red highlight. The issue is, I'm realizing now, with more than 2 players, you might want to know, without having to like keep track yourself, what Pokemon is whose. And right now everyone's just red. So maybe I add some kind of team color system, and instead of you just being blue, or I guess you could always be blue, but then other people see you as a different color. Probably gonna have to do that. And I've built it in a way that's not gonna make it easy, but it's fine. Let's fix that end turn button that's literally not attached to the screen. I'm realizing as it's getting darker where I am, the green screen is starting to not work as well. Yeah, you can like see my shadow. I'll fix it off screen. All right. Let's fix that button. I think essentially I just have to constantly update the positioning of it anytime we move on the screen, which is not a problem. We do it in one area called process. So like we're setting the new camera position, we're gonna do the same thing for the control. I guess I would use the same thing here. The same vector change. I can see here. No, that didn't make a difference. No, yeah, that didn't make a difference. Let me try doing it with the end turn. think it's because I have it anchored. Oh, that kind of works, but it's like not the same. Like, okay, this is gonna be a little bit more annoying. I just need it to update. Maybe I just reset the anchors preset. Anchor. Why is it not showing up in my... Yeah, that's right. Then we do like that. And then we want preset right, or is it bottom right? Bottom right. Maybe it just needs to be set every time we make a change here. Nope. What the heck did I do? Position is -40, -40. Changes back to control position. Swear to God, it's always UI. I don't know why. It's just like anytime I work with UI, I just cannot like figure it out. I think the UI in Godot is like confusing to me too. Okay, so that's not changing anything. Is it actually though? I'm looking at. It's not even changing it in the properties. Odd. Do I need to do control.transform.position? No, I mean, we had a selector that had a position and a selector. The selector is a UI element. Oh, it's slightly different though. No, but it's in transform. What would be the easiest way to do this? I think the anchor is causing problems. If I do full rectangle? Okay, so that doesn't make a difference. Let's go back to, at least with the button, we were like moving it a little bit here. Let me show you. Jesus. Do I need to do the $sign again? I don't think so. No. Yeah, just like that. This is probably different depending on your size of your screen too, right? Oh no, it seems okay. Seems like it doesn't matter. So then I just need to figure out how to match the speed. This is definitely not the way to do it, but I think this might be the way I do it. Let's do 5 and see what happens. Whoa, what happened? Oh, that was weird. Oh, 5 is way too fast. And it errored out, so I've lost where I was at. Alright, let's do 2. Almost. It's trying to keep up. We'll do 3. This is odd. Why does he keep failing on tile map all of a sudden? Nice. So it's 3. Seems like going by 3 on the vector is the same. For the UI is the camera. So if I set these to 3, it should be the same, hopefully. There we go, it's fixed. Staying in place. Yay. Still want to space it a little bit away from the side. What happens if I set this to 0, 0? Okay, that's not what I wanted. And 15. I guess setting this breaks it. Okay, let's do this. Put this back to bottom right. And then here, there we go. Let's remove 4 pixels off of each. Okay, yeah. We'll do like, so 1 more is 5. Let's do 3 more. 7. Do 2 more. Nice. Now we have a nice little end turn button. I still don't understand why. There's a way to fix this. I don't know why when I press the button, it ends up interacting with the background. Filter pass. Oh, wait, is it pass? Let's try that. No, that'd make a difference. I just don't understand why these buttons don't have problems. Don't interact with the background, but for some reason the end turn does. And the only difference really is they're within these like UI containers. I mean, all these UI things are doing, and there's wait, focus mode. No, that's probably not it. It's like gonna irritate the hell out of me until I can fix that. Being in the shadow, Charmander. can go back to the end player. So we black them out. So when they're blacked out, essentially, they don't play anymore. They're out of the game. We should also delete the player here. Where do I store the player? I have no idea. I have no idea where I store the player. Let me debug this. Let me black out this player and see. I think they just have a, so we don't want to wipe out the data of the player, but I think we have their like sprite that shows up on the map stored within them. Oh wait, I'm moving the wrong dude. I need to move my Pokemon. Just need to kill him real quick. Game didn't end. What? Weird. Okay, nothing's happening. Cool. For some reason the end player function method's not being fired. End player. If I guess we don't need it in. Oh no, we do need it there. For some reason it's not detecting that there's only, they have no Pokemon left. Like it didn't wipe them. I'd call erase here. Oh wait. Yeah. Pokemon erase. Poke. Let me see here. Can I breakpoint at empty line? I actually don't know if I can do that. I assume it has to breakpoint on something that exists. I just want to see what the player is. Let me put something here just in case. Okay, yeah, so it just has to have something on that line. Oh, the Pokemon still exists. That's not what we want. That's not how it's supposed to work. So my guess is this is not getting to this point. We can try. Down, poke. We'll breakpoint this as well. Okay, so it finds it. So I'm guessing this erase method doesn't actually work the way I want it to. Why is erase not working? Maybe I misunderstand how erase works. Erase removes the first occurrence of a value from the array. If the value does not exist, oh, the value. I just want to erase the index. Can I just do that? I don't need to erase the value. Interesting that uses value and not index. Does none of this use index? Oh wait, it might be pop. Pop at removes and returns the element of the array. I mean, we can do pop at. We don't need to return anything. We just need to get it removed. Try that. All right. So now when I kill this guy, we should actually see something happen here. Let me just verify on the player. Wait. This player. Yes, it's gone. Okay. Where'd my mouse go? There it is. Nice. It errored, but it got past. It's trying to black out the player. It says blacked out. Does not exist. Oh, because I have to add it to the player. That's fine. I don't know if we actually have to do that. Cool. So I think last what we want to do here is we want to do player dot. Is it node? I think it's node, and we just want to delete it. Do. It's like clear queue. Let's try that. Now the player should magically disappear after I kill them. Not them, but you know. Non-existent function. It's not called clear queue? I'm definitely spelling it wrong. What is it called? Something queue. Oh, queue free. try it again. 100th time is the charm. Little Bulbasaur go. Nice. Oh, I still think the player's there though. As you can see, I can't currently move there. It's like the player still exists. I think there's some other stuff I have to remove from the player. I think we track its position on the data, so we might need to remove that as well. I just put a breakpoint there, so I'm gonna just to see like what's in the player object at this point. And then we can click here and we can see here. So I think position is actually where it is in the current existence. So if I set this to nil, should be okay. Position, because we got rid of the node. What's in data? No, data is just like default stuff. You can see all of his inventory. See all the Pokeballs he has. Why does he have 2 Pokeballs? That seems broken. Okay, whatever. So we're gonna try that. It might break stuff. I don't know. We'll see. No. Oh, I was like, what happened? Oh, it failed though. Invalid set value type nil. Oh, shit. I mean, how do we spawn the player? Spawn. The node has a position, yes. Let me see what I'm doing. New player. Oh, we append players to okay, so we append them to a player's objects. We need to get them out of that as well. Really, I don't know. Do I use that anywhere? Oh, that's literally how I loop to find players. Okay. It's probably what will fix it. Now I gotta find my end player function. So what are we doing for play player in players? Let me just verify player equals player. If underscore player equals player, then we want to do players erase player. Yeah. Invalid get index Pokemon. Oh. We should actually do this first. We should do this method first. Something like that. Oh, God, what am I doing? Hold on. Oh, this is outside of the if. Okay, yeah, this should be... This whole method should be after we even do attack, right? Because that's just... Oh my God, what did I just do? Okay. Yeah, it should be more like that. Yeah, I know. You're upset. So we don't need to get attack player because we already have attack player up there. So we can just not do this. It'll be a little bit cleaner. Okay. This will either fix everything or absolutely break everything. And then I'm just gonna turn off the stream. Damn. I mean, it's working, but it's still acting like there's a thing there. We need to make it so that position can be nil. On the player. Or null. Like that. Or is it like, or null? Thinking here. What do I want to do here? The position thing is what's messing it up. What if I like set the position to like -1, and like they're off the map essentially? It's kind of hacky, but otherwise I'd probably have to do a little bit more reworking. I'm gonna try it. So let's do this. Player dot position equals a vector to 2i -1 -1, which would put them off the map. Hey, I fixed it. Cool. I think that's fine. I think -1 and -1 will never exist because literally here is 0, 0. So technically they're off on the other side of this map. Wait, can I like... If I try really hard, could I like accidentally like click off? No. Okay. Seeing if I could like break my own game and go off the map. Cool. So now we have a state where a player has been removed from the game. Now in this same script, or in the same function, I mean, I want to do a check after this happens to see if there are any players left. So we do if, I think we just do len players is equal to 1, then that means there's only one player left and the game's over. I'm trying to decide. So I think for this, I'm going to do it off the game, as in it'll happen on. It'll fire an event on the website here. So I'm thinking when it ends, it will reload. It will kind of redirect you. This page will end. Oh, this is so outdated. No, let me push the latest changes because it looks a little bit better. Nice. So my thought is, make sure the game looks right still. Yeah, other than the giant health bars. Say you kill everyone. You're hanging out here. It fires an event from that right here. So let's do it actually. To do call event to redirect to end game page. Redirects you to an end game page, so shows stats from the game. You know, like any other 4X game, might say like how many Pokemon you killed, how much damage the players did, and then yeah, anytime you click back, so basically we'll redirect to that. You won't see this anymore. You'll still, so here where it says current turn, we can have it say something like game ended or ended, and anytime you click in here you can just see the stats from that game. So there's still like a way to see the stats. But yeah, and that, I mean, that's it. But yeah, a lot of the stuff I need to do is probably gonna be behind the scenes, just some like multiplayer handling that I just can't really show on stream. I think yeah, so the next steps, we have a lot of the functionality there. The next steps is just to make sure everything syncs. The deaths, the experience doesn't even sync right now. I need to set up so experience syncs. And the rest of the actions, so like spawning new Pokemon. Right now, if you spawn a new Pokemon, they won't show up on the field. Also, if you catch a Pokemon, you won't have it. I like caught one. Look at this, Charizard's like way off the map here. I just used a Master Ball, I cheated. And I can throw him out. Wait, why does he have 0 health? That's broken. But yeah, normally I only stream 2 hours, so we already hit the 2-hour mark. Honestly, great stream. Thank you for everyone who followed. I'm trying to stream more. Hopefully I can stream 2 hours tomorrow. But we'll see. It's still wishy-washy. I'm trying to figure things out, but I'm close to affiliate. I just really need to stream more is kind of the main thing right now. I usually have enough lurkers to reach it, and it'd be really cool to kind of move that along. Yeah. I think next step's just getting the servers to sync. I think when I come back on here, it'd be nice to add some more Pokemon to the game. Right now, if you haven't noticed, there's like literally just 6. It's the starters, but I have assets to add like basically a majority of the Pokemon to the game. So, and it's not too much of a process. It just takes a little bit of time. But yeah, and it'd be really cool like to have other people try it out with me once I get it up. Right now it's running on a local server because, you know, still working on it. It's still a little hacky. But yeah. Oh, starting next week, starting Wednesday, I'm gonna be participating in the how do you say, Acerola? Yeah, this thing. Acerola Game Jam. Here. So I'm going to be doing this. I haven't done a game jam in a long time. I thought it'd be really cool to do it. It starts in 10 days, so it's on Wednesday next week. And my plan is to stream like every day. I've set time aside to work on it. The main like thing here is that you have to be an individual. You can't be working with a team. So I thought it'd be fun to stream as much as I can for that. So I'll be streaming a lot then. And yeah, that starts in 10 days. So that'll be exciting. The only thing is I have a volleyball league that I'm a part of on Wednesdays that I would probably like to be there, but it would be really exciting to be here for the reveal. So I'll probably skip volleyball for this. But anyway, yeah, thank you for everyone for following. This has been good, and thanks for everyone who's chatted in here. Makes it more interesting for me. So make sure, if you haven't followed, make sure to follow. See you next time I stream. Maybe I'll have a more steady streaming schedule eventually, but till then, have a good one. Goodbye.